Alright, let's start today's analysis and we will be starting obviously from Euro USD. So, oh, wait, let me remove this first. Okay, these are not. Okay, on the daily, yesterday, obviously it turned out to be a bearish one, as I have said before. And what do we have today is one thing, there is two things. One is price has swept this liquidity, wasn't able to close below this one, but still we have a bearish order block, another one you can see on this one, which just shows that there is bearishness in the market. And if we do move bearish, then what would be our target is going to be next this fair value gap, this one, or overall this order block below. So these are the target I can see. Overall the market is bullish, but there is needs support. So there you go, you have this order block below. But for now, the daily seems bearish right now. Now, if I take a look at this H4 thing, overall H4 is also bearish, and obviously currently price is showing the strength to move bullish while breaking above. And I'm not going to be bearish. I'm not going to be bullish until price either close this one right here or close above this order block. This is the order block this is the only order block which going to be holding the price from moving bullish. And if this one get inverted, then obviously I might say, okay, trend is changing and we might be bullish. But anyways, for now I'm still bearish. 2 hours left for this candle to close, and currently we are sitting at the bearish area. So next thing comes the H1. Yesterday H1 whole setup was great. Liquidity, market structure shift, followed by this one. There you go, big push. But now today is showing a different strength, bullishness. Inverted this order block, and we are reached toward this whole extreme. Obviously same thing in this one as well. If price break above this area, then we might obviously freely move bullish, but for now I'm still bearish. Now last but not least, there comes the M15, in which these are my plan. So I don't think this one is going to be like this. Price is not just going to be shift bullish and shift bearish right now, because we do have this fairly gap holding the price bullish. As you can see, currently it is pushing. So what I want to see is having a pullback like this, then shift of the structure, we are free to go bearish, and if not, whatever, just not. If I don't get anything, then okay, there is nothing for me. Then comes the AUD USD, and the only reason I'm watching at AUD USD is because of this whole dollar strength, currency strength thing. USD is much more weaker today than yesterday. Euro has quite strength, but not enough to push it higher. And what else do we have is AUD USD, JPY, and CHF. These three has the strength to push the currency. And since AUD is strong, so I thought, why not, let's just take a look at this one. So as I have written in this one, monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish, daily was indecision. I would say it is still indecision until this candle is formed. H4 is bearish. Even though daily is sitting at this bullish fair value gap, H4 is reacting from that fair value gap. Yeah, I might get some sort of a retracement as soon as price just close after 2 hours, maybe not sure, but still there is a sign that bullish or bulls are stepping in. Then comes this H1 thing. Whole H1 is just bullish. All I can say. Now last but not least is this M15. Whole Asia got liquidated by this one first shift. Then comes the second shift, and then we have this third shift. So that's what I want to see in my session, and that is this order block being liquidated. Price came toward this one because this was the one that shifted bullish. So yeah, that's the whole plan for me in AUD USD. Buy in AUD USD and short in Euro USD unless I have a model structure shift bullish. So yeah, that's it. That's the plan overall for today. So let's see how it turned out. And yeah. Right, here we go. Monst May. I mean, 1 of May. So yesterday, obviously, as you can see on here, it turned out to be a losing one, and the reason is pretty simple. I were calling for reversal, but I mean, according to my plan, everything was right, everything was good, except one thing, and that is when price made this move. I mean, like you can see for more than an hour, price were failing to break below this one, and then it just shift above bullish. And after that, I was thinking that okay, I mean, a bullish move might be coming right now because you can see it is quite logical to be like this one. So I was like, yeah, maybe I'm going to kick out. So one thing I didn't it right, that is manage my risk well, because of obviously it was a greed, I would say. But anyways, it is what it is, and I don't know. I was feeling so pissed off yesterday after having this one because from the beginning I was watching that AUD has much more strong than USD, and Euro and USD were both like in the same strength. So it was quite logical to be sideways, or since USD was strong, that means other pairs will going to be bullish. And as you can see on this one, it just making me so pissed right now. So this was the whole thing on yesterday. I just made the power of 3, see, I mean break above, retest, continuation. That's how it went. I'm still trying to manage my risk as much as possible. Yeah, that's it. That's all for now.